Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, on a very windy and gloomy day, very overcast, I'm going to take the DJI Air 3 out and fly around in the Cork area here in Grand Talk. In fact, it is so windy that immediately I'm getting strong wind warning, and my controller, and if it wasn't the DJI Air 3, I would not have been flying any of my mini drones today. It's an absolutely windy, gloomy and overcast day, and I could see the cameras already making a lie out of me, because one, it is crystal clear. Two, it is absolutely steady. And three, the drone is actually handling the wind immaculately, that it appears as if it's just a mild wind. And I have the camera looking down here. So I'm looking down over some housing scheme area here. All the houses seems to be of a similar design in this area. This is like housing scheme here. Little gated community right on the waterfront, very private. Just have a look around. Not an ideal day for flying, but I think that this drone is up to the task. And the camera is actually performing quite well. Looking out over the sea, you could see the waves actually rushing up to the shoreline. And you could see the branches of the trees here swaying in the breeze. This seems to have no effect on the drone at this time, but when I was flying a little earlier, about 45 minutes to an hour ago, I feel that the drone was struggling a bit. I think the wind has subsided a bit here. So I'm panning around. I'm looking at a house here. And I think I know exactly what this house is. I'm not going to dwell on that. And you could see, even if they even though it has this heavy breeze, the drone is holding very steady. So I'm going to fly up right here now over the Cork tree settlement here, where there is some, look like some townhouses right on the waterfront, right on the beach. Fly up a little bit towards, I believe, the West Road area. And then I'm going to come back to my general location, and I'm going to bring in the drone for a landing. So I'm back over the little gated community here. The wind is still strong. This has been a successful flight. Nothing exciting, nothing untoward, just having a look around. And the camera actually shines. And this gloomy overcast and a windy day. This is the advantage of the DJI Air 3, a value for money. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you very soon in another one. Cheers.